Hey there, and welcome to White Label Agency's WordPress Laboratory. Today we're going to talk about alt text. The ability to add or change alt text via your WordPress dashboard can help ensure that you are really delivering the most for your website's functionality and for your client. Alt text in a website's images or photos is not only key to making it more accessible for those who are visually impaired or those who use a screen reader, it's also a big part of generating traffic for image-based searches. Let's say you're a marketing or design agency and you have a client who is a florist. And out there somewhere is a very sweet grandma whose favorite flower is a pink peony. Maybe her eyes aren't what they used to be, and she uses a point and speak tool to help navigate text and images on the internet.
Beautiful pink peony flower background.
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Having the right alt text here just might be the thing that brings her and your client, the florist, together. If you want to look and see if an image or photo already has alt text without using a screen reader, you can often just right-click on it, then click Inspect. A whole bunch of code is likely to pop up in the right side of your screen. But if there is alt text already there should be a line that has it in the form of a description written in. With WordPress, you can check, add, or change this via the WP admin dashboard. As long as you have access, just type a /WP-admin after the website's domain name, then enter the login and password. This will open the dashboard from which you can manage much of the functions of the website. There are two ways you can add or change the alt text from here. You can go down to Media, and that should give you a list of all the images on the site. Just click on an image and scroll down to the alternative text box. If there is nothing already assigned, it may just say IMG for image, or it may already have a description written in, but perhaps you'd like to change it to something more specific or informative. Maybe the florist also sells vases and/or pots, and you'd like that to be represented as well. Either way, if you want to add or change it to something new, just write the new text in that box, then hit Update. Easy. You can also do this by going to a specific page, by clicking on Pages in the dashboard. Open the page to edit, then click on the image and some properties should show up in a column on the right. Once again, there should be a box for alternative text. Enter in the description you would like the image to have and click Save. Changing the alt text here might supersede anything you have for it in Media. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other requests or thoughts, please drop them in the comments. Also, for further technical questions or solutions, check out our blog page by visiting us at thewhitelabelagency.com. Thanks for watching, and take care.